Okay, so we're on question number 26 now. Okay, let's have a look how much more we got left in this paper. Question 26, I think we've only got one left. Lovely. And it's time for bed. Okay, question number 26, solve the equation. We have a simultaneous equation here. That equals x squared plus y squared equals 36. We'll call that equation number 1. Equation number 2, let's make it a bit bigger. Right, now in order to work out this type of equation, this is the equation of a circle. X squared plus y squared equals 36. That's your standard side linear equation here. We need to substitute for x 2y plus 6. So what we're going to do here is get the y, get this here. Remember, this is what x is equal to. You put it into where x is there. So you have x squared. So you said x squared add y squared is equal to 36. So this is my value of x, put that into there. So I'm now going to have 2y plus 6. Because it's squared, that means multiplied by itself. 2y plus 6. Then add the other y squared that's already there is equal to 36. So now let's multiply it all out, simplify it, rearrange it, and solve it. So let's go for this. Okay, right. I think that comes a bit too light. Let's do the slightly darker one. So we have to start over here. 2y times by 2y will give us, whoops, pardon me. Okay, that will give us 4y squared. 2y times by 2y is 4y squared. 2y times by plus 6 will give us plus 12y. Okay, and then we have plus 6 times by 2y, that will give you another plus 12y. And plus 6 times by plus 6 will give you plus 36. Plus the y squared that is already out here. And that will give you 36. Okay, now we need to rearrange and simplify all of these equations in order, all of this here. Now the plus 36 needs to come over to here. We want to make a nice quadratic equation. So we have 4y squared. And then we add 1y squared. And that will give us 5y squared. So these two have been counted for. Opposite add 36 will give you minus 36. So these two will cancel each other out. And we have plus 12y, add another plus 12y, that'll give you plus 24y is equal to 0. Now, if we factorize out the y, we will get something that looks like this. So y, 5y plus 24 is equal to 0. Now, in order for us to solve this, we can say either the y outside is equal to 0, this one, so that's one solution. Because if you put 0 in here, 0 times by anything will give you 0. So that's one solution. The other solution is if you make the y inside the bracket equal to 0. Now, so if you made this y equal to 0, we've got to make this, pardon me, you've got to make this bracket equal to 0. So for that one, we have to consider, we have 5y plus 24 is equal to 0. So either this y is equal to 0 or the bracket is equal to 0 in order for the solution to be 0. So let's work out what the possible value of y would be. So let's choose a nice color. So opposite add 24 is minus 24. So 5y is equal to minus 24. And then the opposite of time by, opposite time by 5, because it's time by 5 here. Oh, it doesn't like that, pardon me. Opposite time by 5 is divide by 5. So y is equal to minus 24 divided by 5. Now minus 24 divided by 5 will give you minus 4.8. If you use the calculator, that will give you the answer. Minus 4.8. So what we have here, we have already two solutions now. We have two y values. So let's get those. So one solution was y equals 0. If you put 0 in here, and there, it make everything become 0. Or if you make this bracket equal to naught, which gives us a y value of minus 4.8. So here are our two y values. So this is y, this is called y1 and y2. Now, because of the nature of this circle equation, x squared plus y squared, we'll normally have two solutions. So we've got two y values, we'll have two corresponding x values. Now, how do we work out the x value? Well, we know how to work out the x value. X value is here. Equation number 2. X is equal to 2y plus 6. So that is equation number 2. What we need to do now, get our y values. Whoops. Oh, didn't want to do that. Get our y values and put it into here. The first one. And then get the second y value and put into there afterwards for the second part. So let's do that one part at a time. So what do we have here? So we say x is equal to 2. Let's put the 0 in first. 2 times by nothing plus 6. X is equal to nothing plus 6. X is equal to 6. So basically when y equals 0, we now have a corresponding x value. The x value is 6. So these two values are corresponding. So when y is nothing, x is 6. And let's do for the second one. So let's choose another color. I'm going to find my pen. Okay, right, let's go purple. Remember, we're going to put y equals 0 in. Done that just now. Now we're going to put y equals minus 4.8 in there. So x is equal to 2 times by minus 4.8 plus 6. So what we're doing, we're putting the second y value into here to work out its corresponding x value. So that will give you x is equal to 2 times by minus 4.8 plus 6. That will give you a total of, you put that in the calculator, as minus 3.6. So the first one gave us a value of x equals 6, and the second one will give us a value of minus 3.6. And that is the end of that particular question. Let's move on.